Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and this is Lab 8.9.4, and we are going to view ownership information. So, you are the IT administrator for this Linus system. Your manager has asked you to verify the ownership of a few files and directories. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, the task is to view the ownership for the /sales /orders file and answer question 1. View the ownership for the /project /dark horse file, answer question 2. View the ownership for the /project directory, answer question 3. View the ownership for /HR directory, and then answer question 4. So that is all we need to do in this lab. In the absence of any other thing, we'll go ahead and start our lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, at the end of this video, if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. So we're still waiting for this lab to load. Alright, so this lab has loaded successfully, so we'll go ahead and open terminal. Now the terminal is open. We type in ls space dash l space /sales /orders, and you press enter, and this is what we have. So we'll go ahead and answer the questions that follows. Who owns the sales order file? Okay, that will be Cassini. And for quiz, okay, let's minimize this first, and okay, we'll minimize this. So we'll go ahead and continue. Work in the terminal. So you type in ls-l space /project /dark horse, and you press enter, and go ahead and answer the questions. Who is the group owner of the /project /dark horse file? That will be Proj, and we continue. Alright, so we type in let's see, ls space dash l space press enter. We'll go ahead and answer the questions that follows. And who is the group owner of the /HR directory? That will be Cassini. And who is the group owner of the /sales? So we'll go ahead and score lab. So that is all. If you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.